So pick one. Let me put you on less than 30k makeup products you should get in 2026. If you are a first timer when it comes to makeup, if you don't have the resources to get um big brands, if you don't have that amount of money that is, that you compiled somewhere to get a makeup product, guess what? First off, I got this primer spray from Flawless Ivy Cosmetic. I think it's a wonderful economical spray. I got this one for how much again? Hold on, let me check how much I got this. I got a primer for I don't know how much is sold over here, but I got the primer for 2,700. Look at how it's like. Okay, so my next foundation, the one I got is from LA Girl HD Matte Oil Free Foundation, and it has SPF of 30. And I got it for 2,500 naira. Okay, I don't know if you saw it well. So I actually got this form. I used it today. I'm going to wash it. This one is going for 1,800 naira. All right. So I got this contour makeup all round makeup contour. Let me show you the back. I got it for 3,000 naira. It's from Frank B Cosmetic. It's very nice. So this particular blush, I got this blush for 2,400 naira. Don't mind me, I've stained it. I've stained here. I'm going to wipe off. All right. So this one is also very nice and economical. So I got this palette compound powder by Kiss Beauty green tea. Okay, because it's not a really professional makeup. I just want to get something nice for myself. So it comes in this pouch and is going for 2,000 naira, as you can see. Okay, I got this foundation brush by LB. All right, so I actually also got this fashion best color waterproof makeup eye pencil. So this one is sold for 500 naira. It's very nice. I love it. And I got this super glue super eyes eyeliner. This one is going for 1,250. Right. Very nice. So I think, and the lip gloss that I got, the lip gloss I got, these ones are 1,515. I love them, but it's not changing color, it's just normal lip gloss. So if you're a beginner like me, you can still start with these ones. This is just the basics. So I'm going to do a proper video of everything so you can see them properly and screenshot and get some. All right, don't say I didn't do anything for you today. See you guys next time. Bye.